All right, scholars, this is the Fun with Cursive Club, and this is the Silly Signature Series where we practice our cursive and have fun by writing silly one-sentence letters, and a lot of them are nonsensical. So grab your paper and pencil and let's have some fun practicing our cursive. All right, scholars, welcome to Fun with Cursive Club. This is a silly signature series, and today Crispy Lettuce is writing to Herb Garden about something that is bothering Chris. All right, we always start with our greetings, and that means we're going to capitalize the word dear. Big capital D. And then we're going to capitalize the name Herb Garden. And that would be an H, which are two separate strokes connected with a loop. And garden has the classic capital G with a big kite string, a loop, a point, a belly, and a smile. And of course, our greeting has a comma after it. I'm going to skip a space. And I'm going to start on the next line, and I'm going to write, please stop growing over the driveway. Okay, we've got our high bridge from our W right to our I. Over the driveway. Now you'll notice I've got a lot of letters from the previous line with their stems coming down that I'm going to now have to deal with on the next space. Comma, or, so because of this P, I'm just going to start the or, and I have limited space here between the P and the G, so the perfect place to write my two-letter word. So I'm not interfering with the other parts. Wheel, which is two L's with an apostrophe, and that was nice because that fit in and I missed the G right there and made space, so that worked out really well. Have to. Now I do have room for the word call, so I'm going to go ahead and put it on this line. A lawn enforcement officer. Okay, more F's to practice. And we end with a period. We're going to skip a space for our ending. And again, we have the S, which is a lot like the G, and it's got the belly and the smile. It gets capitalized. Sincerely has two E's. Always place a comma after, skip another line. And the signature today is Chris P. Lettuce. Double T U C E. All right, scholars. Nice practice today, and I'll see you next time in Fun with Cursive.